In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Notion, and it will only take about 5 minutes. So let's dive into it. First things first, you need to navigate to your connected workspace within Notion. This is essentially your hub for all things wiki, docs, and projects. It's where all the magic happens in Notion. By starting here, you'll be centrally located to access everything you need for this reset. Once you're on the Notion page, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button, which should be easy to spot, and go ahead and click on it. If you have saved your credentials in your browser, you might get seamlessly logged in. If not, just enter your email and password to continue. It's a straightforward process and an important step because you need to be authenticated to make any changes or resets. After you've successfully logged in, you want to proceed to what is known as the Notion Home. On your dashboard, there will be a set of options that allows you to go to the Notion Home. Clicking this will show you an overview of all your pages, databases, and workspaces. This area is crucial as it provides the layout of everything you have set up in your Notion application, making it easier for you to manage and reset your workspace efficiently. Now that you're in the Notion Home, it's time to head to your profile. Your profile icon is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and it should give you a variety of options related to your account. Selecting Profile is essential because this is where all your personal settings and workspace management options are located. With your profile open, look for the option to create a new workspace. There should be a button marked New Workspace. Clicking here is critical as it allows you to set up a blank canvas, a brand new workspace. This step essentially serves as the reset point. By creating a new workspace, you're starting fresh without affecting your existing data until you're ready to transition fully. These steps essentially walk you through the process of setting up a fresh start in Notion. Just to recap, we began by opening our connected workspace, logged into our account, navigated to the Notion Home, clicked on our profile, and finally, created a new workspace. It's as simple as that. With a new workspace established, you can start organizing again in a way that suits your current workflow or project better. Remember, take your time adjusting to the new setup, and feel free to migrate information selectively from your old setup. That's it for today's tutorial on how to reset Notion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.